By the looks of it, she was about to deliver a tiny T-Rex.
Yeah, there's some explaining to do. As Matt Malloy does explain, a local mom-to-be took her love of dinosaurs all the way to the labor and delivery department at Unity Hospital.
Sure do, Dan Williams.
Meet Laura Lenhard, 9 months pregnant, in labor, in a T-Rex costume.
Are you having a contraction? You're having a contraction right now? This was your idea. Laura's always had a bit of an obsession with T-Rexes.
Laura and Lucas were hours away from welcoming their baby girl. Their baby bag featured the essentials and...
Laura said, well, we have to take the T-Rex costume to the hospital with us, so we did. And
he didn't want to.
Yeah, I'm not as huge of a fan of the T-Rex as Laura is.
I had to beg him, but I said it would make me happy.
There's been a dinosaur theme since they found out they were expecting. This is their prehistoric pregnancy announcement. So when the big day came, so did the costume. And another of Laura's favorites, musical group Salt and Peppa.
Push It was naturally on the playlist for when she went into labor, so she pulled up Push It on her phone and dressed up in the T-Rex costume, and the rest was history.
Well, I asked permission first.
She did ask one of the nurses.
Because I wasn't sure if it was allowed.
Laura danced it out dinosaur style at Unity Hospital, catching some staff off guard.
It was a little bit of confusion. It was a little bit of excitement. It was a little bit of, this lady's crazy.
Hey, can the doctor deliver my baby wearing this? Probably not.
No, they can't deliver in there.
About 10 hours later, Laura and Lucas welcomed their own tiny T-Rex, a little girl named Jordan, who already has her own stuffed dinosaur. Matt Malloy, 13 Wham News.
Oh, she's so cute. Jordan is just 1 week old, but has her own, as Matt said, T-Rex costume. She'll need some time, though, to grow into it. As if labor isn't painful enough to be in that costume.
To be making plans like